Okay, today we're gonna be talking about a highly requested topic, doing low carb on a budget. I'm a part of a lot of weight loss groups, low carb specific ones, just weight loss in general, and so many people are commenting every day that low carb or doing a specific diet is always gonna be more expensive and it's hard for them to stick to it. Well, today I'm gonna give you a ton of tips that you are going to love so that you can now not believe that. Yes, you can do low carb on a budget and you can do tasty low carb on a budget. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach, and I help clients every day reach their goal weights and go on to maintain by getting rid of their mindset blocks that are holding them back and giving you an easy, actionable step plan that you can follow that just feels effortless. Let's stop making weight loss part of our New Year's resolution list and let's lose our weight for the last time. If anybody is interested in any of that, everything is linked down below in the description box, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. But let's get on into the tips. So the first thing that I would say is make a meal plan. And I know that sounds silly. It's like, what are you talking about? Of course we need a meal plan. Most people aren't making meal plans. They're going to the store and they're just buying some beef, they're buying some chicken, they're buying some random vegetables. And then you're coming home and you're going like, I don't even know what to cook. I don't even know if these things go together. Take out that whole guesswork part of it. Sit down, I promise you it won't take more than 5 minutes, and make a quick meal plan. Make it for 3 days, make it for 7 days, make it for 2 days, whatever feels good to you. But when you have that meal plan and you know exactly what you need to buy, you're not wasting money at the grocery store buying random things that you're gonna end up throwing out because they're in the back of the fridge and you forgot they were there. Everything is accounted for. So tonight I'm making blackened chicken with broccoli and Alfredo sauce. I have everything to make my Alfredo in the fridge. I have the right amount of heavy cream. I've got garlic. I have the chicken. I have broccoli, and I have my blackening seasoning. Everything is accounted for. So I'm not gonna waste anything. I'm gonna make the meal and then we're gonna have the leftover. My husband will probably eat the leftovers tomorrow. But I know that everything that I bought is going to be used. When you have a meal plan and you know exactly what ingredients you need and you make your list based on that, you're not wasting money at the grocery store buying things that you might not even eat. Without a meal plan, I'm telling you, my waist goes up. And then I'm scrambling at the end of the week to like take all my veggies that are about to go bad and either make a big salad or throw them in the oven and do roasted veggies. But don't do that. Make your meal plan so that you don't have to scramble like that and everything has a place in your week. So to piggyback on meal planning, I like to do my meal planning 2 different ways. So the first way is I will make a meal plan for what I feel like eating. And then I will go to the stores where I know those things are the cheapest. So for me, I know my favorite chicken is at Wegmans. That's the only chicken I will buy. So I know that if I have that on the menu, I'm going to Wegmans. But then Wegmans also has a couple of staple items that they do put on sale that I love. They've got their yogurt, they have their hummus that I love, they've got pepperoni that's freshly sliced. All of these things I shop there for. But then on my meal plan, if I'm shopping for vegetables, I will take all my vegetables and sometimes go to Walmart because I know the prices there are just unmatched. They're amazing in my area. So I know that I will go and get my vegetables from there. If I know that I just want to go to one store, if I'm just shopping at Giant, for instance, and these are all local to Pennsylvania, you guys might be like, what are you talking about? We don't have that here. It's just all the local stores to me in Pennsylvania. But if I go and I look in my circular or my app and I see like, okay, these things are on sale here, these things are on sale here, I'll go and I'll make my meal plan around those things. So if I go on the app and Giant has broccoli on sale, and then it has low carb wraps on sale, or the milk is on sale, the almond milk, things like that, I will make my meal plan around those items that are on sale. So it gets to be really fun when you look for ways to save money and then you see the difference in your budget. And that's a really good point too that I want to bring up, is that this is all a mindset thing as well. You guys know everything I do is actions and mindset. So if you go into your meal plan making it going, this is going to cost so much money. Oh my gosh, we don't have money for this. Oh my gosh, this is so expensive. That's such a negative mindset. Instead, hype yourself up. When you're making your meal plan, do it when you're in a really good mood and say, ooh, I can't wait to eat this dinner. Or this lunch sounds so good that I'm meal planning. Ooh, I can't wait to go to the store and grab these fresh vegetables. I love buying fresh vegetables and picking them out myself. Go into it with that more positive vibe. You're gonna get more of a positive experience back. That goes for everything in life. Shop the sales, shop the stores, make a meal plan. Let's pause it really quickly. This is an awesome time to bring in today's video sponsor, Element, these are single serve electrolyte drink mix packets. They are ready to go with a perfect science-backed electrolyte ratio to not only replenish your electrolytes, but hydrate you and make you feel your healthiest and best every day. If you guys have been following me, I drink one of these every single day. And I will tell you, the other day I had a crazy thing happen to me, and it just further proves that yes, electrolytes have a place in my day-to-day life. I had just come up from doing a workout, and I sat on the couch and I said to my husband, like, I feel dizzy. I don't feel that good. Like, what is happening? And he was like, well, drink some water, you know, just relax for a second. You just did a workout. Before that, I actually did a 40-minute walk too on the treadmill. He's like, just chill for a second. And I was like, okay. So I sat down and he's like, wait a minute. Did you have your electrolytes today? And I said, you know what? I didn't. So quickly, I mixed together a packet, I drank it down, and I immediately felt better as soon as I finished drinking it. It was like magic. If my electrolytes aren't replenished, I feel it. But the best part is I can replenish them super quickly with one packet of the Element electrolytes. I love them because they are between 0 and 2 carbs per packet. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium is definitely the winning combination. And there's no sugar in here. There's no gluten. They are vegan friendly, they're paleo friendly, and they are low carb. And I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. Element has just launched their Element sparkling cans. So it's the same 0 sugar electrolyte formula that we all know, but now you can get it in 16-ounce cans of sparkling water. You can actually get a free Element sample pack with any drink mix purchase. All you need to do is go to drinkelement.com/heart. So it's drinklmnt.com/heart, H-A-R-T, and you will get the free Element sample pack with your next order of drink mixes. Thank you to Element for sponsoring this video. And I wanted to hit on one more thing when it came to meal plans. Are you making a meal plan for things that you enjoy? Most people are like, oh, I'm on a diet, so I have to eat diet food. No. And if you think that, follow me on Instagram and I will show you otherwise. You guys, I lost 65 pounds after the birth of my second baby, and I haven't eaten crappy food ever in that whole journey. And now in my maintenance, I eat every single thing I crave. I just make it make sense for my low carb lifestyle. I don't deprive myself of anything. I make it all make sense. Make sure you're making a meal plan for things that you're excited about, things that you enjoy, meals that you're gonna be excited to cook. If you are a chef and you love cooking, go find a new recipe on Pinterest. Go onto my blog and make one of those recipes. I've got hundreds of them on there for you guys. Spark some joy into your cooking regimen. If you're not a chef and you're not a cook and you're like, no, I like making things that take 2 seconds to make, there's that on Pinterest as well. There's that on Google as well. There's so many free resources available to you. Do whatever you feel good about. Whatever's gonna excite you, bring that into your meal plan. And then shop smarter, not harder. Shop the sales, shop the stores. And something that I started doing recently, I would say in the past year, is ordering most things that are hard to find but I love off of Amazon, because Amazon is just amazing. It comes in a day or two. The prices are even better than my store sometimes, and the convenience is unmatched. So if you ever are looking for something, or you're looking for a keto something, like I got a keto honey on there and I was like, I couldn't find it in the store, and I'm like, let me just go on Amazon. So I went on Amazon and I found a keto honey. My favorite low carb granola is on there. Some people have told me they haven't been able to find it. It's the Purely Elizabeth. It's right there on Amazon. Same thing with either protein shakes or protein bars, things like that. Buy them on Amazon. It's so much easier. And again, gets delivered right to your front door. Definitely go and look outside of the box when it comes to saving money. It doesn't always have to be in store. And to go along with that one, bulk buying is amazing. And if you have products that you really, really love, buy them in bulk. You're gonna spend the money anyway. Spend it and then have it so you don't have to worry about it for a while. So if you have a membership to Costco or Sam's Club, or even on Amazon, you can bulk buy and just get it so you can just forget about it in the pantry and then know that you have stuff when you need it. That is a great way to save money as well, because most of the time when you buy things in bulk, you will be saving money. And I do this like little calculation thing in the store sometimes. I'll be like, okay, if I buy a pack of 12, it costs this much. If I buy one, it costs this much. I'm saving so much more money by buying the pack of 12 that I know I'm going to eat. Again, it's about shopping smarter, not making it harder on yourself. So look for things like that. Look for these little tips and tricks that you can do even while you're in the store. Do some quick math. And another thing that I like to do for Amazon specifically is I got the Amazon credit card. And I know what you might be thinking, like, I'm not in the market for another credit card. Neither was I, until I realized that when you make purchases on Amazon with their Amazon credit card, you get points back. I get a lot of money coming in that's just credits to my account. It's literally reward money. So if you have a credit card that offers rewards, or if you are in the market to get the Amazon credit card, it might be worth looking into because of the points, which can equal cash back, or maybe you can get points to go on a flight. I know a lot of credit cards do that with airlines. Use it. Use it, because even if you're not saving money specifically on one item, you're saving money in the long run by spending money, which we're spending money anyway. So why not get the points? Why not get the rewards? Why not get the flights miles? Why not just get the biggest bang for our buck when we're shopping for groceries anyway? I have a credit card that is through my bank, and what you can do is you can choose what you spend the most money on, and then you get a certain percentage of cash back from those purchases. I'm at the grocery store a lot for filming videos and for cooking for my family and just running to the store because you forgot something. So I put my credit card to do groceries for 3% cash back. You guys, that adds up so fast, and it's so nice just to get those reward credits coming back. It's amazing. So it's definitely worth looking into, especially if, like I said, if you're able to, and just something to check out maybe that you didn't know. And also for budgeting for your low carb lifestyle, when we're talking about food and we're getting excited about food, it's also really important to plan. And what do I mean by that? Plan for your next trigger, I like to call it. I actually said this in my group Mastermind the other day. Plan for your cravings. If you know that that time of the month is coming, or you know a stressful day at work is coming, or you know your hormones are going nuts on this day, plan for that. What do you crave? What can you buy so that you have it on hand so that you are prepared? Just like you're meal planning for that, meal plan for your life, meal plan for your triggers. It's so important to get these things and get them when you're budgeting. Get them before you need them. Pre-plan, do this beforehand so that you are prepared for when any event comes up. If you knew you were having people over on Saturday, you would buy food for the event. If you know you're gonna be triggered coming up, make sure you have the food to crush those cravings. But like I said, keep it healthy, keep it on plan. Don't ever give up anything. Make it work for your lifestyle that you've chosen. Because remember, if we stay on track, we get results. When we get results, we go, ooh, this is working. And then when we think that, we stay on track more because we want more results. And when we stay on track consistently, we get more results. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So when we get results, we get more results, because our mindset says this is working. And that is truly the definition of alignment. I hope this video gave you some ideas for staying low carb on a budget. If anybody has extra tips that I haven't mentioned, leave them down in the comments so we can share in this wonderful community we have here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Check out Element down in the description box, and I will see you guys really soon with my next video. Bye.